Jeff has never, ever turned down a challenge, no matter what it is. So we're going to see if we can get him to do something here. Hey, Jeff. Jeff. Got a challenge for you.
Okay.
All right. See if you can do this whole course standing on your seat, no brake.
That's
Think
crazy.
you can do it?
That's crazy. I'm in.
All right. Let's see it. This just goes to show that you do not need that rear brake to go through here as long as you're dialed in on your clutch and throttle control. As a matter of fact, we teach when we teach the police officers these courses, we don't let them use the rear brake for the first 2 days, and really gets them dialed in on the front tire placement and perfect clutch and throttle control. And then we introduce the rear brake, again, just with the big toe on it to slow them down if they start picking up a little too much speed. When you're on your personal bikes, though, we highly recommend that you hover your rear brake with your big toe and use it to slow yourself down at all times. You never want to squeeze that front brake if you have to stop for any reason. Remember, only rear brake during these exercises. Again, this is not part of the ProRider program. We're just showing you what you can do with this bike. You can get it to do amazing things, and as long as you use the tools correctly, the clutch and throttle. Very nice, very nice. Nice job. Impressive riding there.
Thank you. I got a challenge for you.
Uh-oh, I knew that was coming.
What do you think the chances are you could do this whole course side saddle?
I guess we can give it a shot.
Let's see it.
All right. Done. Anything else?
That's an awesome ride.